I see. So they will go to the city together. And what are they planning to do in the city?
Look, Mommy Dinosaur caught the 20 goods.
Yes. Did she find them?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was under Daddy T-Rex.
I see.
Now your new foot fell into Daddy T-Rex.
Oh.
Look, Mommy Dinosaur jumped on Daddy T-Rex. Now the new foot popped out. Now it's
Oh, is there spits all over it?
No,
Are there spits all over?
It's broken.
I see.
And it is a crack.
Oh, there is also a crack. It's broken. Then I think I need to buy a new watch. It's not possible to repair it. It's badly damaged.
Today is Easter in 2012.
Look, Mommy is shooting your video, right? She put that video card inside, so now she can store all that video. And later we can watch it together. Like after many years, when you are a young lady, we can watch it together and remember this day.
But I'm already young.
Yes, you are already a young lady, but then you will grow further, right? You will become a big woman, then we can watch it together.
No, but I still want to be a girl.
Okay, but everybody grows over time, right?
But I still want to be a girl.
Okay, don't worry. There are still so many years when you will be still just a girl. So don't worry about it.
But I don't want to be.
Okay, don't worry. You will.
Bigger.
Okay, you will be a girl. Don't worry.
I only want to stay this small.
This small. Okay, why do you like to stay this small?
Because I don't want to get bigger.
So what is bad about getting bigger?
Because when I try to get out, I may not.
I see. So you may get stuck.
Yeah.
So where would you get stuck?
In the home.
In the home, but the door is big. Look, even I can go through the door.
Yeah, but I'm still small, so I only can do.
I see. I see. You don't need to worry. Don't worry.
Yeah.
The door will be always big enough for you. You never will get stuck there.
Why may if I be big? But if I was more bigger, I may.
No, you won't. Yeah, you won't be that big. You will be just as big as me after many years. So you easily can go through the door.
I want to be big as Mommy.
Yes, you will be exactly like that. So you easily can go through the door. You will be as big as Mommy, not bigger than that. Look, you already look very similar to Mommy.
Fit upstairs when I am big like Mommy. But I don't want to be that fat.
Yeah, you won't be that fat. You will be like Mommy.
But
Mommy looks good.
Babana is too fat.
Yes, you won't be like Babana then.
He may not just only go up.
奶奶躺着也中枪。
Stay downstairs. But they can't fit in my crib.
She can't fit in your crib. Right? Can I fit in your crib?
No.
No.
You're too big.
Yes, I am too big.
I am just the right size for the crib.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah, because my feet are small, my legs, my nose, my feet, my head, and my back.
Yes, everything is small, right? So you can easily fit in that crib.
Yeah, sometimes I get accident.
Oh, what happens? What happens? How does that accident happen?
Sometimes I crash on Daddy.
Oh,
Watch it.
Nigel, what's your name?
Nigel.
What's your last name? What's your last name?
Ashwaran.
Ashwaran. What's Daddy's name?
Ashwaran.
What's Daddy's first name?
Tunga.
What's Mommy's name?
Yung.
Yeah. What's
Didi.
Babana's name?
Dixie. myself.
Okay. Do you love us? Okay. Okay.
Oh, a dinosaur is stomping in the kitchen.
No, it's only nature.
Yes, it's only Nejo.
Daddy, oopsie.